How should a 4 ounces chicken breast look when cooked properly?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how a properly cooked 4 ounces chicken breast should look like. Cooking chicken to perfection can be a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can achieve a juicy and delicious chicken breast every time. So let's dive in and find out how it should look when cooked properly.
The importance of proper cooking.
Before we jump into the visual cues of a properly cooked chicken breast, let's briefly talk about why proper cooking is essential. Chicken, like any poultry, can harbor harmful bacteria such as salmonella. It's crucial to cook chicken thoroughly to eliminate any potential health risks. When cooked properly, chicken becomes safe to consume and has a tender texture with delicious flavors.
Cooking techniques for a 4 ounces chicken breast.
To achieve the perfect cooking outcome, there are a few cooking techniques you can employ. One popular method is pan searing, where you cook the chicken breast in a hot skillet with a small amount of oil. Another technique is baking, where you place the chicken breast in a preheated oven until it reaches the desired internal temperature. Both methods can yield excellent results when done correctly.
Visual cues for a properly cooked 4 ounces chicken breast.
Now, let's get to the main focus of this video: how a 4 ounces chicken breast should look when cooked properly. Here are the visual cues to look for. 1. Golden brown color. A properly cooked chicken breast should have a golden brown color on the outside. This indicates that the chicken has developed a flavorful crust without being burnt. 2. Juices running clear. When you cut into the chicken breast, the juices should run clear, not pink or red. This is a clear sign that the chicken is fully cooked and safe to eat. 3. No pink flesh. The inside of the chicken breast should be completely opaque with no traces of pink flesh. The texture should be moist and tender, but not undercooked or rubbery. 4. Internal temperature. For an accurate measure of doneness, it's crucial to use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature of a properly cooked chicken breast should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures any potential bacteria are killed, guaranteeing food safety. Remember, these visual cues may vary depending on the cooking method and personal preference. However, these guidelines provide a general indication of what to look for in a properly cooked 4 ounces chicken breast. And there you have it. A properly cooked 4 ounces chicken breast should have a golden brown color, clear juices, no pink flesh, and reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. By following these visual cues, you can ensure that your chicken breast is safe to eat and full of flavor. So go ahead and cook up some delicious chicken with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!